on, get back in. Come on, Chris. Come on. Move through, move through. Push it. Excellent job. Tag, man, on that. The side. Come on. You got it, you got it. Keep pushing. Come on. Go. 4, 3, 2. Come in. All right, come back. Here we go. Start with the scissors and go. Keep pushing through. All right, guys. Stay focused, stay focused, stay strong. Keep the form. Breathe through. Looking good. Push. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come in. All right, knees in and out. Let's go. In and out. Knees in and out. Come on. Keep going. How we doing? How you doing, Aria? Oh, Aria, just take a break. Come on, give me. You only got 5 seconds. 4, 3. Come on. 2, 1. All right. Clap it up, y'all. Clap it up. Come on. Work it out. Okay, so check it out. Next exercise you're doing is very similar to the power jumps that we do when we're standing up. You're going to start with your hands down. Make sure you're in good form here. Use those hips and tuck it under. Now check it out. My hands are going to be on the floor here. I'm going to bring my knees up to the side. Boom. And I'm going to take my heels down. Knees up to the side. And take my heels down. Make sure your chest is nice and high, okay? Don't drop your shoulders. So I'm here. Boom. Down. Core. Contract. Are we ready? 30 seconds, people. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. Go at your own pace. Just really control it. Go at your own pace. Really control it. When your knees come in, I want you to contract, okay? Keep going. Good job. All right, I'm coming back to bother you. Let's help these people at home. Keep pushing. You're doing an excellent job. Keep breathing. Keep going. Stay focused, okay? Chest is up. Shoulders down. Shoulders back. Keep pushing. Stay focused. Good job, guys. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Check it out. Doing this exercise again. Watch me. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to bring the hands up. Knees in. Boom. Tap down. In. Tap down. You can go slow or fast as long as you control it. See, I'm going fast. I'm really working. My upper body moves just a little bit. You don't want to rock too much like this. You don't want to do that. Really control. Okay? Make sure you focus on the chest. Ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Go. In and out. Woo. Push through. Focus strong. Come on. Go. Power in. Power in. Maybe lift up so you see my ass working. Boom. Swing. Pushing through. You got it. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Take that break if you need it and come right back. Boom. Power. Power. Power abs right here, guys. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, Chris. Come on. I feel it in your face. Come on. 5, 4. You got it. Come on. 3. Stay strong as many as you can. 2. And 1. Release. Good job, brother. Don't leave me hanging. All right, here we go. Now, next exercise. Next exercise we do here, we're doing over the mountain, okay? You want to start. You want to kind of start center. Then what you want to do is you want to bring your knees to the side right here. You want to bring your knees in towards the oblique. Come over to the other side. Extend out. In. Over to the other side and come out. You're really going to feel it in your obliques. Okay, so you really want to stay strong. Really take the break when you need to. Don't turn your back. Are we ready? 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. In, over, out, tap. In, over, out, tap. In, over, out, tap. Good. In, over, out, tap. Focus. In, over, out. Come on. Keep going, guys. Everybody stay strong. You at home, stay strong. Come on. There you go. Chest out. Chest out. In, over, out, tap. Now, man, it's time to take a break. I see the corn starting to falter. Breathe, breathe. Come right back in. Don't take too much of a break. Then you go over the mountain. Then you go. Stay strong. Keep the core tight. Focus. I'm here for you. Come on. 3, 2, 1. All right. Now, here we go. We got another exercise. All right. Core adduction. Here we go. Core adduction here. Your knees are open. Heels are open. Hands on the floor. What you want to do is bring your knees together. Boom. And tap back out. Knees together and heels together. Boom. And tap back out. Okay? Here we go. 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go. Boom. Go as fast as you want. Just make sure you have the control. Contract the core here. Keep pushing through. Exhale when the knees come in. There you go. Stay focused, stay focused, stay focused, stay focused, stay focused. As my knee comes in, boom, I contract. Boom, I contract. Remember, take a break if you need. Breathe, come back in. Come on, guys. 8 seconds left. You can do it. Push, 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 push. 5, 4,